dog's killing his cat. His one cat. Anyway, this folds, you know, if you know, this folds out.
Oh, this does is the bed?
Yeah, and that's a good bed right there. But up here, if you want to look up there, that's well, it's kind of unique too.
Let me see.
There's just people up there.
This is a cave, folks. We're out. You know, this is just a cave. I'm not going to tell you where it's at or anything right now because this is a special situation right now.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
I'm with the owner. Well, the previous owner, Keith. Haha.
Nice place. It's but I used to hear mice crawling around through when you're
Up in the rock?
Well, between the rock and that wood right there. There's wood, a wood.
I'm going to check out this bathroom again, Keith.
Yeah.
Man, look at this bathroom. I mean, this is just crazy. Hey, E-Rock. Yada. What up, baby? Very interesting, man. And this is a shower. Look at that, you take a shower in. Just too awesome. Way too awesome. Wow. Cool. My mind's still on that 720S McLaren tomorrow, folks. Taking you on about 180 mile per hour ride. So just stay tuned.
I think he comes up still.
Yes, it does.
But the grounds are real interesting. You don't see it on the.
The only other time I've been here, months ago, Jeff, he took me out to the waterfalls.
You've been up there?
Did.
Are we going in there tomorrow, Kyle?
I sure hope so.
That's what he said.
It's worth it for sure.
I don't know. That's probably friendly, I guess, if we want to let the dog out.
When we let the dog out?